Okay, so the last part of this first build is going to be adding in a reorder, and then we're just going to tidy a few things up and add one or two more formulas towards the bottom. Now, what we are going to do, I'm going to zoom into this next part here. And, that's a bit too far. And what we're going to do is we're going to work out a reorder formula. So what we want in this cell is to say if the number is below a certain value, we want to say stock low. Now, this is going to be slightly different for all of you, so you need to look and watch at what we are going to do here. So I'm going to start off by typing equals, and we're going to say if. Now, if I open the brackets, Excel tries to help us and it says logical test. So what we need to do is click in this cell here to say if this cell is less than, and now you need to think of a number. Now I'm going to go with 10, and the reason I'm going to go with 10 is because I've got some numbers which are over 10 and I've got a few numbers which are under 10. You need to analyze your own data and see what number fits. So mine says if M6 is under 10, I'm going to say comma, and then in speech marks, I'm going to say stock low. And then I'm going to put comma, stock, okay. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to close the brackets and we're then nearly ready to go. Now, if I press enter on that, that will save that formula. And let's copy it down like we did the other formulas. Now, I'm going to copy it all the way down to the bottom like here. And what we've done now is we've got stock okay, stock low, stock okay, stock low. So let's just double check now. So this one here is saying if M6 is less than 10, well, M6 isn't, it's got 16 in it. So this one here, M7, let's double check the formula. Yep, that's correct. So if M7 is less than 10, which it is, it's going to say stock low. So we can see that our reorder is actually working quite well. Now, as I zoom back out to this, back to 100%, you can see our spreadsheet is nearly complete. We've got a lot of formulas in, so the only thing I'm going to do is just make these a little bit wider, just make sure we've got enough space on all of these. Now, the next thing that we're going to do after you've done the reorder is we're going to add in 3 or 4 more formulas, and then we're nearly done with the building part of the spreadsheet. So your task now is going to be to put in the if formula, and that will need to go under the reorder heading.